In this video, I will explain you what is decision tree. So let's start this video. So decision tree is also called decision tree classification. Decision tree can be used for both regression and classification, but it is mainly used for classification. So what is classification? Classification is used for predicting in categorical data. Example, predicting the category of a car. Is it old or is it new? So we are predicting the category. Maybe it will be old, maybe it will be old new. Okay. So where is decision tree used? Okay. So I am making a decision, should I buy a new PC or not? So I am making a decision, should I buy or not? So we use decision tree here to help us take a decision. Okay. So how does decision tree work? So let me show you. And how does it look? So here we will create an attribute. So okay, so let's create an attribute. And this is called PC status. Okay. And what is this? This is the root node. This is the node from where everything is connected. Root node. Okay. Root node. Okay. This is called root node. And we will connect edges from here. Okay. This is edges. And here we will check if the person have PC. If the person have PC, the decision will be no, he should not buy a PC. Okay. And here we will check not have PC. So if he does not have PC, so we will create a new node, a new attribute, that is money. If he has money or not. And then if he has a money, we will check if he has enough money or not. Okay. If he has enough money, he should buy a PC. And if he does not have enough money, he should not buy a PC. So this is what a decision tree is. It helps us to classify should I buy a PC or not. Okay. It helps us to classify. And here we can further connect more edges here. Okay. We can connect more edges like this here. Okay. Like here we can connect more edges. Like here if he have PC instead of no, then we can do here more edges. And we can do old PC or new PC. If he has old PC, he should buy a PC. If he has new PC, he should not buy a PC. Okay. For example, we should not directly select a root node directly by our own thinking. Okay. We have to use mathematics to calculate that. So how we calculate? We use splitting to select root node and further divide it like this. Okay. This is root node and we further divide it by edges. It is based on entropy and information gate. Splitting means choosing. First we calculate entropy of data set, then we calculate information gain. Okay. Entropy and information gain is based on data purity. So what is data purity means? It means that the label data which we have collected, how nice it is defined. If the data is not pure, we get less information gain. If the data is pure, we get more information gain. First we will choose the root attribute. We will choose this root attribute by all of the attribute we have in our label data. In our label data we have multiple attribute. Okay. By looking at whose information gain is the highest. We have calculated the information gain, but whose information gain is the highest, and we will make it root attribute. That will be the root attribute, and on the basis of that we will further divide it. So we use mathematics to do that. Okay. So what is pruning? Let's suppose we have multiple edges. For example, like this. Here something like this. Okay. And now it became messy. Okay. So by using the pruning, we remove unwanted edges. Okay. So we use splitting to choose root node on the basis of entropy and information gain. And we calculate that by using mathematics. So in the next video, I will explain you the mathematics behind it. This was just the introduction. If you want more exclusive videos, or you want me to make a personal video for you, if you want me to answer your questions, you should click the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, answers to your questions, and personally videos made for you according to your request. By doing so, you will support me and this channel because I am doing this full time and this is my only job. Thank you.